Nasa point ka ba ngayon na parang may inaalis sa'yo? Na parang may binabawas sa buhay mo? And you ask God why? Baka right now you are in a pruning season. Inaalis ng Lord yung mga nakakahinder sa buhay mo for you to grow, for you to mature, for you to be stronger, for you to be promoted. Kaya kung yan yung nararamdaman mo ngayon, tanggapin mo. Pruning is not punishment. It is a proof of love of God. Gusto ng Lord mag-grow pa tayo. Gusto ng Lord mas maging malakas tayo. And for us to bear fruit, for us to grow, kailangan may alisin. Kaya kung ano man yung inalis ng Lord, huwag mong pigilan. I-let go mo and trust God that He is working within you.